What's happening? Dustin here with Dustin's Customs. Long time no see. We've been racing all weekend. We've been down at the New Smyrna track for a week. We're probably deaf. Them tour modifieds were crazy. Heck of a show down there at New Smyrna Speedway. Been there. Been racing quarter midgets. My daughter placed second place today. It was the three-way tie between second place for the points. I don't know. Because she got taken out in the first race, unfortunately, we didn't win in the points. But we came really close. Finished second today. It was really close. So everything's good. I'm going to be focusing on this Mustang here, just here and there. Like I said, we're going to be focusing on circle track. Circle track. Sorry, I should have drank something before I got started. Anyways, so I got these. These are the Heim joints or radius rods. We got to weld on these little deals right there. And then the anti-roll bar will be done in the back of this car. I got a cylinder hone, but it was the wrong one. Who gave me that? Where did I get that from? Napa. Got the wrong one from Napa. They gave me the wrong size. I told them 4-inch and they gave me like 3 and 7.5, whatever. So, after we get that, we can put the engine together. Like I said, Texas Speed, ARP head bolts, pack springs, you know, new head gaskets, stock motor, build a turbo kit, whatever, TH400. Let's get underneath this car and start welding. All right, I guess that's a good enough view. So I gotta put these, what did I forget? I forgot here they are. Oh, I got everything. All right, so should have opened these before I started rolling. They got UPR. Definitely want to make sure that these things didn't get scuffed up in shipping there. I don't even saran wrap our tires this much after I get done scraping them for a race. So that goes up there. Looks like fine thread. And so put the Heims. Oh, it's tight. Does it only go one way? That one fits. That one fits. Just gotta get the Heims straight, and they're both the same. So, how many of y'all watch Alex Florhazando? You know how to say his name. YBT. I like it. I watch it every day on the way home. How many of y'all watch it? Alright, so we gotta get that 90 degrees with the deal. Crack one right there. Axle goes up. I don't think it'll be up in there. Do put it down here. That way I can get full. Let me go read real quick. There's probably something I should read. Okay, I'm just gonna read this to you before I do it. For these right here, the Heim joints and the tabs, it's section number 5 and 6, basically, or adjust the Heim joints so that the links show 4 threads and do not tighten the jam nuts. Ensure that, where to go, clean paint, blah, blah, blah. Ensure that the rear end is hanging fully, shocks are fully extended. Mount the tabs about mid area of the center section. So, you know, even, you know, center line, basically. And tack them in, then take them apart and weld them. So about 4 threads. So hold this, turn this, about 4 threads. I can't see. Oh, that's bad thing about safety glasses. They just fog up. See, the top one's turning. You want to form both. That's why you want the jam nut to. There we go. Break that loose, and then tighten this, and tighten that, and then hold it. So it screws out evenly. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. That's about 4 threads. So about 3 turns, about 4 threads. Do the same on this side. Tighten it all the way. And then I'm going to, if I won't turn. So 1, 2, 3 turns. Take a look. It's about 4 threads, so about 3 turns. Get it all together equal, and then turn it down about 3 turns. That's about what they said. This one looks a little bigger. Turn that one in. You can judge by the gap too. If you want to count threads, you can count threads. So I got that gap right there. Make sure my gap's the same. This one's a little smaller, so I got another half turn. That's about the same. As long as you center line them, it'll be fun. Plug in your welder. It's gonna get noisy. I left my radio on. Too many times. Every other little ratcheting wrenches that go in the same way. Get the desired spacing so the heim can still turn. Make sure 4 threads. Tighten it up a little bit. Let's see. Got it. Send it straight. Slip it. Preload there, about 4. Looks good. Alright, let me straighten them out, unbolt them, tack them a little better, and then weld them fully in. Alright, I got them welded up. They did distort a little, so I'll put them in here while they're hot and hopefully bend them back to shape. We'll see. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess they're in there now. There ain't nothing you're changing. It's a little tight on that one. I gotta put my daughter's race car away. So that's probably it for the night. It's been a long day. Long day of racing. That one's flailed out a little. I'll just have to bend it in. Give the old persuader here. Oh yeah. Nothing like that. Persuade it straight. Beautiful. Mint. It's freaking mint. I seen old Derek Barron was in my neck of the woods. I actually live about 30 seconds from VMP. I seen he was around. I was racing, so I could not go. Would have been cool. Alright, now let's see if this side needs some persuasion. Oh, that's why I had safety glasses and sand in my eyes. Oh, crap. Oh, man. Put some shocks on this car. It's probably getting tubular K member. And, alright, what did I do here? Let's see, let's adjust this one up. And that goes up. You see that? How that works? That one's good. Just need a little tap-a-roo. Put the hammer. She is straight. I wonder if you weld the insides of these. There we go. I mean, you could weld it inside. Get them off. All right. About 4 threads. About 4. You want neutral preload, I'm sure they'll start off with. There we go. That's pretty neutral. Crank them down. Oh, I don't know if I told you guys it was 9/16 is what the ARP hardware is. Looks like fine thread or coarse thread. And since this is a lock nut, you don't have to fill it. Just make it snug. That's all you gotta do. You don't gotta kill it. Keep some movement in that bolt. At least that's how I do my Heims. Alright, y'all. It's gonna be it for the night. My wife's driving the truck around here so I can put the race car away. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.